How to get approved for Capital One Spark Business Credit Card. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can get approved for Capital One Spark Business Credit Card. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So to qualify for Capital One Spark Business Credit Card, your business must meet specific criteria. First, if your credit score is above 740, you most likely meet most of the approval requirements and below traits. Never declared bankruptcy or defaulted on a loan. Not been 60 plus days late on a credit card, medical bill, or loan in the last year, and had a loan or credit card for at least 3 years with a credit limit above $5,000. If your credit score is between 670 and 739, then it usually meets these credit factors. Not declared bankruptcy or defaulted on a loan in the last 5 years and have not been more than 30 days late on a loan or credit card in the last 30 days. This is the minimum credit needed to qualify for any Capital One Spark business credit card and still receive instant approval. If your credit score is in the low 700, then it's still possible to get approved for the entry level Capital One Spark business with a credit score above 600. You will fit into this credit tier if you have defaulted on a loan in the past 5 years and only had a credit card or another credit account open for less than 3 years. So that's how you can get approved for Capital One Spark Business Credit Card. That's all for this video.